for sale on eBay is this model of the Rongfu Type 45 machine converted over to CNC. Come up here is the X, Y, and Z axis are powered by NEMA 34 on the X and Y, and then a NEMA 42 on the Z. They all have anti-backlash ball screws on them, and the travel on that is 19 3/4 of an inch in the X-axis, 9.9 inches in the Y-axis, and 16.7 in the Z-axis. This mill is complete with automatic coolant control, so you can just insert into your G-code a snippet to turn the coolant on through your CAM program, or you can control it from the screen with the on-screen button there. And it'll also include the flood stand, so you can keep your work area clean. The stand is tilted inward and to the front, and all the fluid will come to two of the screen drains, so that'll help keep all the junk out of your coolant. The axes have also been converted to zero backlash ball screws. They have offset tracks, so there's almost no backlash on them, and whatever is there is compensated for by Mach 3. The spindle has been replaced with a Leeson metric motor, and it's driven by a VFD drive, 1.1 kilowatts. It does have a feedback loop. It is capable of semi-rigid tapping, automatic spindle speed control. The mill will run on household 220 volt power. It will also run on 3-phase power, however it is wired for regular single phase. The auction will include the mill, stand, flood enclosure, coolant system, computer, control box, the Wi-Fi keyboard and mouse, and licensed copies of Mach 3, Mach 3 Wizards, and Sheet Cam. The spindle taper on the mill is an R8. Email with questions.